Good afternoon, brothers and sisters. Just out of curiosity, I decided I was going to come and check the Schumann today. Here we are at the Italian monitor station, and as you can see, this is our very low frequency, our electromagnetic field, as it says right here, electric field. You can see there was a serious event mode. So you come down here, and it's like, whoa, what in the world has happened there? Now we'll come down here, look at this bad boy. Wow, that is just off the charts, solid red. I mean, there's just no stone. It was like a solid hit and then a stop. That is one heck of a hit. I mean, if we try to do a lick of measurement from here to here, that would put us right about to here. So that's at least an hour-long event of the Schumann. But that happened, and now this is UTC time, but that happened before the eruption, didn't it? I don't know. But we had another one right here too. So here's 600, so this would be 1200, so right before that we had a little bump and then pow. Why don't we go check out our eruption time again, shall we? Okay. Come down here. We actually get a pretty good view. We can see the M flare. Let's go to Space Weather Enthusiasts. Take a peek at our impact time. Down here. Check our timing. If I remember right, it was around 1600. Okay, so here we go, pretty much right at 1600, so 8 minutes. It's only 8 minutes for it to get to us, so it's from 1600 to 1800 to be right around here. So that timing is off, but we also notice that here we got lambasted. I mean, it started to hit us at 1600, and all it did was increase and increase and increase in flare. Woo, look at this. We're already at an hour. An hour. Let's see how long she goes. Whoosh. Constant, non-stop radiation. Goodness. Oh, uh-oh. That's back. Well, that's not a good sign. That means there could be a CME associated with this thing. Whoa. So, yeah, what is going on with that? Pretty much non-stop since 1600. So that's 6 hours, folks. With a peak right in the middle, right around, what, an hour into it, it was hard up. Oof, that's not good. Let's go take a peek at Soho, shall we? Here we are at the Soho movie theater. We're going to start her off right here. I slowed the speed down to about 9. We'll hit play so we can kind of slowly see her go on by, and we'll see about what time we got for our pop. Let's see, should be right around, whoop, almost. We're like right there. Bam, 1648, minus 8 minutes would be 1640. Yeah, isn't that weird? 1640? Wait a minute here, this time isn't adding up. It's not adding up at all, because we got hit with the flare was actually hitting us at 1600 even. This is showing 1648 was when it was popping. I don't know what's happening here, but ooh, that's pretty big. Looks like something perfectly round right here, doesn't it? What would that be? It's weird. All right, let's keep going, shall we? We'll go this way. Yeah, that's pretty big and significant. That's a big nasty that popped off that side. So, okay, we know that was going, but it's still kind of weird. You not seen anything weird there? That's kind of odd. You got this light spot here, like constant flare, completely black, but you've got light here and here. What is going on here at the sun? I don't know. You tell me. I couldn't tell you. Or I would. That's just the kind of guy I am. Alright, we'll slow this one down again. Take a peek here. And play. That was the one from earlier. Let's watch her here. Around 1648. Boom. Yep. Okay, so that one was about right. But I still don't understand, ladies and gentlemen. But this looks like it's coming at us right here. I don't know what's going on here. This is kind of weird. I don't know. Is that something you guys can tell me about? This almost looks like it's kind of coming, but it's definitely going to the right. But then you got your big old pop. Kaboom. Yeah, this looks like it could be coming at us down on this end a little bit. It's very interesting, to say the least. That's all I can say. Let's go check out our sun here. Let's come and watch this bad boy and see what happens. Let's keep an eye on our time here, shall we? And yep, boom. That's the one that will come off. It's coming at us. But where's all that shiny stuff over on this side? Boom. That popped. So that's all right. Let's just go ahead and do this. Turkey buster. Right there, huh? Let's see the actual pop. 618. Okay, so about 618. Wait a minute. 618, 626. See, right at 6 o'clock, we started having. Where's the flare that we were supposed to be having here? 618. Okay, there's the coronal mass ejection, but the flare hasn't even popped up yet. There's where the flare is. It's 1717. Hoo-hoo. 17's a significant number, isn't it? Look at that. So, how are we off by so much time? I mean, there's no extra light out of it. I don't know. Let's go check a different angstrom of light. Okay, here we are at 94 angstroms of light at SDO. And 1544, next picture. Let's see if it gives. Okay, 1554. Let's watch it. 1604. So there's a little bit coming off there, but if it's just now we're up at 64, how did we get it right at 1600? How are we getting that radiation? And then 1614. That's when the pop. So I mean, around 6:30, yeah, but you got to add 8 minutes. This math isn't quite adding up. So by the time you really get the decent flare on it, 1700, which is of course right around the time that it peaked. So yeah, that's what is that? Oh, hey there, little buddy. Did you cause that? Did you cause this eruption, you little turd? Oh, what was that? Well, there's another one coming right up. Zip. Interesting, to say the least. Ooh, look at that! It hit the satellite. Watch, boom. She got blurry. Well, if that was strong enough to hit the... Oh, there's another one off to the left. Hey, little fella. Well, if that was strong enough to hit the satellite... Whoa, look at that. There's one there. One up top left. Lower left. Hey. Are they causing these things to go off? These little turd busters. Like, seriously? Oof. Well, that's very interesting, folks. Let's take a look at seeds and see if we can see anything. Okay, folks, here we are at seeds. We are looking at stereo ahead. Okay, so this is the solar disk, the sun, and we are over here. This is Earth, this way, on both of these. Watch this. Now, notice all these lines here? Look at all these lines covering up. Look at that. It's normally not like that. But watch this. This is right at us. And nothing else is showing it. Look at this. What is this? Watch this as I go. Watch this as I keep going. Watch. What is that? That is some kind of a round object. It looks like it's coming out of our sun, like it's giving birth. Look at that thing going. Oh, it's... Look at this. What is that? Now, this is directly coming at us, and we don't know anything about this. Why don't we know about this? Let me back it up where we were, right here. Sorry. Look at this. Going. Now, look over here. There it is there. Right there. And we're going. And then it just gets bigger. Look at the size of it here. What in the world is it? Looks like it's the same size as our diggum sun from the shockwave or whatever. And now I didn't see anything from yesterday. Did you guys? I sure didn't. I mean, look at the size of this. This is coming right at us. They haven't told us anything. What in the fragnog? Let's see if we got anything from today. Nah, barely. See if we can pause this bad boy. Let's go previous. Let's go start over on the first frame. It's the first one. That's where we got that big plume. And then, oh, look at that. Come on. 7 hours. 6.5 hours of missing data. Jeez Louise, guys. I think we're about to get tattooed and they don't want us to know. I seriously think we're about to get hammered. And they're doing everything they can to try and hide it. Let's see, we should be getting up to our pop time. For the one that we know of. Whoa, what is this? 1653. Why is this one getting hammered when it's supposed to be coming out Earth facing? Look at all of that. Whoa. This is crazy. I've never seen. Oof. Look at this. See, we are over here. We're over here. We are right here. This thing pops off, and then why is this going all white? I'm lost, and I'm dazed and confused. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. This almost looks like a beast with its mouth open, like it's gonna come bite you or something. What has happened here? That is Earth facing. But everything else that we looked at shows that it's not. What is going on? Folks, we might be getting popped here in the next couple days. We might just be getting popped. They might be hiding this one from us because that was a big nasty. I bet you they might be messing with the times on the others. I would almost guarantee it. Okay, came back here to look at the timing of it, and it did hit us. However, when we go here and we look at our time from the 9th, let's go back. This is Earth facing. But right here, you see it? They blotted it out. Why are they blotting that out? Look. It's always blotted out. Why are they blotting that out? It's not appearing on that other one. Look at that. It is completely blotted out. Folks, stuff is happening. Okay, something I want to give to note, folks. I came over here to the red. There's a filament right along here that actually lets go. Watch this. See how that let go? And then this is feeding this and goes boom, and then boom. Did you see how it shook? Our satellite shook. So whatever this CME that released, and that looked like a big ribbon, and then that thing popped. I think it might be forcing it this way, but either way, there was a lot that came off when this thing exploded. I have a feeling that this is actually Earth directed. I really do. I think that they're altering this. I think they have messed with it. They had to have. Because let me show you a diagram of where stereo ahead is. Where seeds is. Okay, folks, all I did was I typed in stereo ahead, hit search, and then went into images. And this is pretty much what I was looking for. Here's the sun, here's the earth, here's stereo ahead. It's looking at it from the side, and if we saw all that coming out, that's coming at us. Do you understand that? That's coming at us. Houston, we may have a problem. They are lying. Oh my gosh. They're hiding this. We could be getting impacted on the 11th in 2 days because there was a lot of force behind that bugger. Woo, folks. Please stay safe out there. I hope everybody's got food and water supply ready to go because my suspicion is this is coming right at us. I mean, if this is stereo ahead right here, that's where seeds is. That's this guy right here. That's this. This is our view from it. So Earth is right over here. That's coming right at us. Stay safe out there, folks, and be prepared. I love you. Remember to love everyone unconditionally. It's very important, especially in these days. How can we ever expect to survive as a race if we don't love one another? Love y'all.